Hey students, so today we're going to go over social studies vocabulary. Our first word is plantation. Plantation is a large farm used for growing crops like vegetables or cotton. And here's a picture. You can see where the workers are picking the vegetable and putting it in a cart. This is usually because they grow the vegetables and they sell them. If I use it in a sentence, the plantation produced many crops, but it was known for growing corn. So again, plantation is like a farm. Synonym is the same or similar. We can use the word farm. Antonym, the opposite. The opposite would be the city, because in the city, you really don't have a lot of space to grow a lot of vegetables. Plantation. Our next word, nullify. Nullify is to be invalid when it does not count. And here's a little picture to help you out. Nullify. It does not count. If I use it in a sentence, the school president will nullify the uniform law and allow freestyle every day. So nullify means to cancel, to not use it, to void. A synonym would be void or cancel. And an antonym would be confirm. Confirm is when you say yes. Our next word, secede. Secede. It means to withdraw from, to separate. And here we have a picture. A long time ago, there was something called the Civil War, where the blue states wanted to secede from the red states. Here's Texas. We wanted to separate. If I use it in a sentence, states in the South wanted to secede from the North. This started the Civil War. Another word that we can use is leave. They were known as the Union. That means together. All these states were together. But because they did not agree on certain issues, they wanted to leave. They wanted to secede. An antonym, or the opposite, is join. They didn't want to be together anymore. Secede. Our next word, blockade. Blockade. To block, to not allow. So here's a picture. Sometimes you'll see these on the road. That is called a blockade, where you can't go through it. You're blocked. If I use it in a sentence, we couldn't get to the other side of town because there was a blockade. A synonym would be to stop or to prevent. That means you can't go. An antonym, or the opposite, is go or pass. Now, you don't have the packet to make up your own story, but on a sheet of paper, use the vocabulary words to create and illustrate a story. Be creative. So you're going to use these words and make up a story. Example number 1. "Let's go," yelled the plantation workers as they marched through the street blockade. They were protesting to nullify the law that meant they would not get equal pay. If this law passed, the workers agreed to secede from the company. So here we have our words: plantation, the farm workers; blockade, that means they were blocked from passing; nullify, they wanted to cancel the law; and secede, that means that if they don't get what they want, they are going to separate from the company. Here's another example. States that secede from the Union were prevented from growing strawberries. The town's lawyer made it through the blockade at the front of the plantation. He managed to nullify the law. They were able to grow strawberries for this season. So here, the states that wanted to separate were not allowed to grow strawberries. So then the lawyer made it through the farm and he was able to cancel the law. So now they were able to grow strawberries. Try your best, see what you can come up with, or just write a sentence with the word. Again, don't forget, we are going to send you the quiz. Please go ahead and fill out the quiz. Hope you guys have a great day. If you need to go back to check on the words, go ahead and do so. I'm going to give you a hint. The ones in yellow help you out with the quiz. Good luck.